आज पता चला हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और होते हैं। अब तो देश का नाम भी खा गई। पर एक बात याद रखना, नाम बदलने से रावण राम नहीं बन जाता, जैसे लेबल बदलने से लेवल नहीं बदलता।
महागठबंधन के रावण का दहन किया जाता है, चयन नहीं, देश हित में जारी।
Amidst fears of an escalation of the war in the Middle East, the Israeli military on Sunday stated that it is completely ready for a war on the northern front from where Iran's proxy, Hezbollah, has been trading fire on Israeli soil for the past 6 months. In a statement, the Israeli military stated that the commanders of regular and reserve units are fully prepared to summon and equip all the required soldiers in just a few hours and transport them to the front line and all defensive and offensive mission. Since the start of the Israel-Hamas war, Hezbollah militants backed by the Iran came out in support of Hamas terrorists and have been trading fire with Jerusalem across Lebanon's southern border, sending shockwaves across the Middle East. Just prior to the release of the statement, the military had stated that it launched airstrikes on eastern Lebanon, hitting Hezbollah infrastructure site after the Iranian-backed group had downed an Israeli drone. In retaliation, Hezbollah fired drones from Katyusha rockets targeting an air defense base in Golan Heights. However, the strikes on the air defense base have not been confirmed by Israel. Nonetheless, the targeting of the Iran-backed Hezbollah militants in the northern fronts of Israel is a part of Israel's preparation for a possible retaliation by Iran. As the tension around possible strikes built, Israel's Chief of General Staff Herzi Halevi maintained that the Israeli Defense Force is all set to handle Iran and could act forcefully against Iran in places near and far. Tehran on Saturday once again threatened retaliation for strikes on its embassy in Syria, killing 7 Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps members, including 2 generals. IRGC Army Chief Mohammad Bagheri stated that the retaliatory strikes would be carried out at the right time with necessary precision, causing maximum damage to the country's enemy so that they regret the killings. Pertinently, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei had also earlier vowed that Israel would be severely punished for its deeds. Earlier on Friday, IRGC Chief Commander General Hosseini Salami had warned that Israel would not be able to escape the consequences of the Damascus strike.
رژیم صهیونیستی با تنفس مصنوعی آمریکا امروز زنده است. او در اتاق مراقبت‌های ویژه سیاسی و امنیتی و روانی آمریکا در حال نفس کشیدن است. هرگاه این دستگاه تنفس مصنوعی غرب از بینی رژیم صهیونیستی برداشته شود، او حیات نباتی به خود خواهد گرفت و فرو خواهد ریخت و این نزدیک است، دور نیست.
Iran is reported to have put its military on full high alert as the country prepares to counter-strike Israel. Additionally, an Iranian military advisor on Sunday also warned Jerusalem that none of its embassies was safe. Following this, security has been stepped up around the Israeli embassy in Delhi and Mumbai.